Alright, what is up guys? Welcome back to another video, and as we can see here with Verasity, oh by the way guys, please do like and subscribe, really helps out the channel. With that being said though, we can see here Verasity finally getting a bit of a move in the markets after a very long period of low volume. Where is my volume? My volume has completely disappeared off of my chart here, and I'm wondering where it's gone. Volume, where is my volume? Volume, I've lost my volume. Well, anyway, we can see here we finally did get a bit of a move in the markets. You can see over the past few weeks, really, we have just been chopping sideways here, but finally getting a rollover and a nice back test of that 023 Fibonacci level, where I did say in yesterday's video, I had this very nice, large, long position ready. As you well know, I've been averaging in at these points into a long position for Verasity, and you can see here we've come down and got filled again in this area, making my average entry around about the current price, so sitting at around break even right now. And I will have larger positions ready down here for a long position as I do continue to average into this, depending on how long this goes on for in terms of a correction. Obviously this back test very much needed in my opinion, as we have just essentially been chopping it, you know, sideways for a good while here for Verasity. But in my opinion, you know, getting a little bit oversold right now. Obviously, everyone panicking because Bitcoin has had a little bit of a rollover. If we take a look at the Bitcoin chart, you can see here Bitcoin, I mean, it's not really even moved that much, to be honest, at all, has it? It's still chopping sideways in a bit of a range here. Should really be getting an altcoin season pretty soon, in my opinion. But you can see here with Verasity having such a parabolic move previously, we still haven't retested any of these levels here, really. And I do think that, you know, if we do see Bitcoin have a decent retracement, maybe back down towards, you know, 25k, 23k, we could see Verasity coming down, losing this low, and backtesting some of these areas back here. In my opinion, I think it's probably quite likely that could happen. But if we do move to the upside like this, a little bounce and a continuation like this, if Bitcoin does see itself righting itself, I do think this is a very large rejection of the low as well. You can see the huge wick on this candle, most likely, probably, in my opinion, showing a lot of resistance to a downside move there, and probably, you know, gearing up maybe for coming back up to the top of the range again and essentially testing the top, because you could say really we're doing something like this, aren't we, where essentially we are just chopping it up. We've got this deviation here, but we've been in a range, really, a little bit of a deviation there, and now another retest of the low. And the way I'd be playing this is just longing this, looking to take profits at the top of the range, something like this. So that is really all there is to it, guys. Not that much going on in the markets in general, but this nice move here, interesting indeed. Still, in the macro terms of things, chopping sideways and waiting for that next move to the upside. Most likely looking for some bull market territory going into the end of the year, start of next year, for, you know, another halving, another potential move to the upside will be interesting. So that is it for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching indeed. As always, please do like and subscribe. Really helps out the channel. And become a YouTube member if you want a bit more of an edge on the markets. And with all that being said, I'll see you in the next video.